Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to your last day of Unit 5. Wow, guys, you made it through. I hope that you guys really enjoyed your lesson and learning about the Renaissance. Also, boys and girls, we're going to touch on the assignments that you're supposed to do. Before I go into what you're going to submit today, make sure that you have submitted your biography. Your final draft is due. So I have a link in the assignment from yesterday, Thursday, February the 4th. Make sure that you submit your final draft in that presentation and that you do it because that's the first thing that you need to do before you even start on this assignment. So, guys, your biography is one of your major grades for this 9 weeks. So, you make sure that you do it. You had a first draft that you were supposed to submit, and then your final draft was from yesterday. So, but if you haven't completed that, do that before you look onto this lesson for today. If you have completed your final draft, awesome job. Now you're ready to do the last assignment for Unit 5. Okay, boys and girls, what you're going to do today is you're going to read this passage here, Masses, Dances, and Love Songs, and then you're going to complete this table. So you're boys and girls, you're going to go ahead and, boys and girls, you're going to go ahead and read this passage, and then you're going to take notes here on the side. You see the two red outline boxes, so that means that's what you're going to do. So what does it mean to take notes? Well, boys and girls, remember in our last assignment for writing, you were taking notes over the Renaissance and the things when you were writing about your artists from the Renaissance. So you're going to do that too. As you read, write down things that you hear about sacred songs and then or music, and then where it says secular music, write down some things. You should have at least 4 to 5 or fill up this entire box as much as you can, boys and girls. And then lastly, since this is our last unit, our last story from our unit, you're going to write a summary about what you learned about the Renaissance from this unit. So what are some things that you learned about the artists, about the music, about the food, the languages, and the literature? Also, like, what was interesting to you? What would you like to share with your family and friends if you had to tell them about the unit that you read? So you're going to type that down and make sure it's about 3 to 5 sentences. Okay, boys and girls. Well, that's all for your lesson today. So go ahead and I will see you in the next lesson.